Hi guys, Yepo Tribe. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make paint out of rocks. There's my dog right there, if you guys were wondering if I had a pet. Yes, I do. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to need a cup of water. And you're going to need a rock that you're able to scratch. So, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your cup of water, pour it on a rock, like this. Then, get your rock and just scrape. Oops. See that stuff coming off? That is paint. See that crease dot right there? That is paint from another time I did this. So it's like a building block, kind of. Once it gets hard, it actually, you're able to build with it, I think. And you can paint with it. Alright, bye guys. Have a good day.